So we're here at the beautiful Adobe Jack trailhead once again. We're gonna hit Adobe Jack, which we did in the previous video, but then we're gonna go down Jordan, which is a big traverse along the side once you get up there, and then we're gonna go down Javelina, down the descent. It's gonna be freaking awesome. So I'm gonna get ready, and I just got my bike tuned up at the shop today, so it's all ready to go. I had a problem with my seat post. It wasn't, the cable was all messed up, so I got a new cable for that. So we're gonna get ready and we're gonna get up there. I think it's looking pretty cloudy out there right now, so I want to see what we're looking at. Yep, we have a flood warning for Coconino County. So about 1 p.m. it looks like we're going to start seeing some thunderstorms and showers, 30 to 80%. So it is going to storm today. We're about halfway to our destination. All right, guys, we made it to the intersection here at the top. That is Morning Glory Rock right there. And this is all Soldiers Pass area. There's Coffee Pot, I'm pretty sure. And there's Thunder, or Thunder might be beyond that, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is a pretty nice view up here. So this is the start of Jordan. A little descent right here. Really putting this bike to work. Looks like we're finally at the top. Pretty soon here we're gonna start going down. So we'll get to the end, drink some water, and then we're gonna head down slowly. Not gonna go too crazy fast, much as I want to. Here it is, guys. Javelina. Now Javelina goes that way a little, goes way over there. I actually made a video a while back of over there, but hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about. There's a trail that goes way out over there and it's awesome. But this is Javelina, and it's gonna go down towards the city. So I'm gonna get some water in me real quick here. We made good time. The storm doesn't start till 1. So it's a nice view up here. All right, guys, we're just gonna head down here. I don't think I'm gonna turn the GoPro off the whole time, but we'll see. All right. Wow. So far, pretty treacherous, honestly. Oh, geez. Here we go. Yeah, that looks a little scary. We're just gonna go straight down it. Oh, I do love this bike, guys. As much as I'd love a brand new bike, I'd love a brand new car, I'd love a brand new house. But you gotta enjoy what you have, you know? Oh, that one bucked me a little. Jeez. Just thrashing the suspension. That's what it's made for. It's made for going hard. I love how up and down this trail is. Haven't seen terrain like this in a minute. Oh shit, that was sick. So this is pretty bad. Wow. Wow. This is all washed. Wow. This is crazy, man. Oh! Little climbing, never hurt nobody. Rocky climbing though. Thought this was supposed to be a descent. All right, another crossing. This is my favorite group of trails right now though, guys. It's right in town, literally a 5-minute drive from West Sedona, not even 2 minutes. You get these amazing trails right in town. There's houses everywhere. Okay. Oh, that was kind of a weird line. All right, let's go. It's just so treacherous. Holy cow. The rock has just been eaten away. Wow. A power line, cable. That's why you have shocks. Oh man, this trail wasn't as fast as I remember it. I think Grand Central's a little faster. Now I know why they have mud guards on bikes. Wow. That's what I'm talking about right there. Whoa. Man, guys, I might have to go on another bike ride today. I've been having such a good time lately. That was pretty abrupt. See, this right here, we could not cross. I mean, we might be able to. I see bike tracks, but holy cow, man. That is pretty treacherous. Yeah, I like the weather, I like the temp, but the terrain is definitely not what I'm used to. As you guys can see, we got the road right there. So, this trail was pretty fun, but at the same time, I was a little disappointed in what the rain really did to the trail. As you guys can tell, it's just completely almost unmanageable in certain spots, but it's all right. I still had a good time. I can't believe that I get to ride in July, end of July here in the desert basically. So yeah, it's already drizzling, guys, so I don't know how bad the storm's gonna be, but it's been really bad, the monsoon. It's been crazy. I mean, look at this. Holy cow, dude. Oh, I can't believe we did that. I can't believe it. This is a crazy trail, man. But yeah, I thought I'd just take you guys pretty much to the end because you want to see the whole trail, I'm sure. Still a little bit fun here at the end. Having a good time. But the only thing that sucks is, of course, you got to go back up the hill to get to the car. We're still going way down here. Ooh, that's fun. Thank God for brakes. Oh, all right, guys. That's got to be it, right? How can it keep going? Holy cow. Oh, wow. Well, now we're in the woods. There. Yeah. We did it. Now we gotta go back up to the car. Well, I found a nice little water area, guys. Just gonna rinse off my face. All right, guys, we made it back to the car in one piece. We didn't get attacked. We didn't fall off our bike. We made it back safely, praise the Lord. So now I'm gonna edit this video and I might go for another ride today, guys. We'll see what's up. But in the meantime, you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one.